friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Today I have come with the recipe of Medu Vada. It is a South Indian snack which is made of white lentils and it is in the shape of a donut. Now when you make Medu Vada, the practical difficulty is if you don't have a grinder, you cannot grind the white lentils without water, and if you add water in a mixie jar and grind it, it becomes little watery, and then you cannot make the vada in the shape of a donut properly. So people, what they do is they add little rice flour into it. Rice flour adding in the vada makes the vada a little hard. So it's always better when you make Medu Vada without adding rice flour. So I will show you a trick by which you can make Medu Vada without using a grinder, and you will get the desired shape also, and you will get very soft Medu Vada, which is soft from inside and crispy from outside. Now I will show you all what all ingredients I have used. I have taken 250 grams of white lentils. In Hindi it is called as urad dal, and I have taken one onion which I have cut into small pieces, 2 green chilies which I have cut into small pieces, a small piece of ginger that also I have cut into small pieces. I have crushed little black pepper, and I have taken curry leaves which I have cut into small pieces. I will be adding salt while I grind. I will be using a mixie, but I will be using minimum water to grind it. Now I will grind this and show you all. Now I have finished grinding the white lentils. I had soaked this for 4 hours, and see, it is not that thick. I added little water and I grinded it. Now I will add the onions, green chilies, ginger, the curry leaves and the crushed black pepper. I had added salt while grinding it. Now I will mix this nicely. I will not add any rice powder to it, because if you add rice powder, then the vada will not be that soft. This vada, it will be very soft from inside and crispy from outside. Now what I will do is, I will take a whipping bag and I will add this into the whipping bag. Now what I will do is, I will cut the end of it and squeeze to make vadas of the shape of a donut. Now we will go to the kitchen. I have kept a pan on the gas. I have on the gas and the oil is hot. Now I have put the batter into the whipping bag. If you don't have a whipping bag, you can use even a milk bag, and you will cut it according to the size you want. Now it is cooked on one side. I will turn it to the other side. See. So how simple it was to make these vadas. Otherwise you would take it in your hand, make hole. It is a little bit tedious, and not only that, you won't get the desired shape. Now initially I made the hole small, so I got this shape. So I made the cut little more, and now see, this is in the shape of a donut. Now I have finished making all the vadas. I'll off the gas. See, such yummy vadas. Now you all saw how simple it was to make Medu Vada. And even if you don't have a grinder, you can very well make it by grinding it in a mixie. And if you don't have a whipping bag, you can use even the milk bag. The corner you can cut it, and then you can squeeze in the batter into the oil. And see the vada which I made. See how soft it is from inside and very crispy from outside. So do try it at home. If you are watching my video for the first time, then do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button so that you get the notification of all the videos that I will be uploading. Once again, thanks for watching my video, and we'll meet with some more exciting recipes. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.